Hey everyone! Have you ever felt like you're just scratching the surface of what you're truly capable of? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm here to talk about unlocking the full spectrum of your potential. So, what does it really mean to tap into your infinite potential? It means breaking down the barriers of what you think is possible and stepping into a realm where your dreams aren't just dreams, but blueprints for your reality. First off, let's talk mindset. Your mindset is the foundation of everything. A growth mindset isn't just about believing you can improve, it's about embracing challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Every setback, every failure is not a stop sign, but a stepping stone. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. Setting goals is crucial, but not just any goals. I'm talking about those big, scary goals that push the limits of your comfort zone. These are the goals that ignite a fire within you, the ones that make you jump out of bed in the morning with excitement. And what about habits? Small daily actions lead to big results. Whether it's reading, exercising, or meditating, these aren't just tasks on your to-do list. They are the building blocks of your future self. Consistency is key. Stick with it, even when the going gets tough. Now here's something I really want you all to hear. Connecting with others who share your vision can amplify your efforts. We're social beings, and when we band together, the sky's the limit. Find your tribe and lean on each other. Together you can move mountains. Lastly, remember to be patient with yourself. Growth is a journey, not a sprint. Celebrate your small victories along the way. They add up, and before you know it, you'll look back amazed at how far you've come. So dare to dream big, embrace the journey, and unlock your unlimited potential. It's all within your reach. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more insights on how you can live your best life. Together, let's make the impossible possible. Thanks for watching. And remember, the only limits that truly exist are the ones we impose upon ourselves. Let's break them down together.